AMADA's thoughts about IoT is that the virtual and realistic states are fused by the most advanced processing and network technologies. AMADA's new manufacturing creation, V-factory, includes monitoring, factory control, and manufacturing design as products, along with an AMADA support system of IoT servicing and IoT consulting. These 5 contents are AMADA's IoT. IoT-compatible machines bring new manufacturing efficiencies through sensors installed in the machine that monitor changes in real time and send data to the CNC, AMADA for analysis. The machine autonomously reacts to the analysis, reducing accidents and allowing production to continue without stopping. We also use AR technology to display factory operating status as digital information to visualize the factory as a whole. This will realize a smart factory which is resistant to fluctuations and seeks out the greatest profit. Furthermore, before processing begins, VR technology is used to simulate processing from CAD data and optimize the program created. Stable quality and cost reduction are achieved by choosing the optimum processing method at the programming stage and eliminating waste on the shop floor. Operating and processing data are accumulated in the server via the network. The manufacturing process is visualized, making it possible for everyone to perform high-quality processing. During factory production, we can grasp the schedule and the load situation of each process in real time and be able to give accurate and speedy instructions to various problems as they occur. Productivity improvement is expected by receiving a visual operating status of the factory at any time, from anywhere. Furthermore, by accumulating machine operation and maintenance data in the cloud, we create a large database for analysis. AMADA can also centrally manage the operation status of machines compliant with IoT as a support center in real time. In the event of trouble or failures that cause the machine to stop, production can be restored by remote connection, or service staff can be arranged to quickly eliminate obstacles. Also, the contents of prediction and prevention analyzed by AMADA will arrive at the customer in real time, and we will also notify you of the response to obstacles. In addition, we can find the optimum processing conditions using the large database from AMADA's processing, and we can offer consulting to improve operations. Customers can utilize remote monitoring and factory analysis to increase profits. AMADA's 2 pillars of product and support meet the changing management issues of customers and provide support for manufacturing in the new era. This is AMADA's IoT V-factory.